you see an all-electric remote-controlled mulcher that can work from 3 to 5 hours without recharging, depending on the working conditions. This model is equipped with electric brakes. The machine works well on steep slopes up to 55 degrees, and the operator is always in a safe place, which is also important. Balanced weight distribution, wide track chassis track, and low center of gravity ensure gentle treatment of the soil and safe off-road use. Breaking news! The Next Trencher D250 has been released quite recently. Yep, the very same disc trencher that is mounted on some types of excavators. Thanks to this miracle technique, now you can easily dig trenches up to 80 centimeters long and 12 to 25 centimeters wide. A real monster. The manufacturers have done their best. Next Trencher has created a machine that is ideal for trenching, especially in abrasive and hard rock. This machine can dig up to a depth of 5.5 meters, and the width of the trenches varies from 12 to 150 centimeters. At the same time, a special advantage is in its durability, thanks to which all customers unequivocally get the most reliable helpers in their hard work. Do you want to maximize the efficiency and speed of chewing work on almost any surface and save fuel in the process? This is exactly what the Thyssen May-Mow wheeled excavator is designed for. In addition, this rough machine has proven itself an excavation of open mines, so it has a gigantic potential. Designed for heavy-duty applications, the rugged 2814W injected scraper can withstand the most extreme conditions over the long life of the machine, and the 2614D modification D-scraper with swivel joint makes it easy to move difficult bulk materials on heavy-duty construction sites. So, this technique allows you to effectively unload the worst soil imaginable. Bridge construction is always a complicated business. After all, it is hard to put the foundations and supports of this structure, made of monolithic, reinforced concrete piles with diameters of 120 centimeters, pile length and depth of 9 to 15 meters. However, there are still specialist and professional machines designed just for such purposes. And look at how well they work. The Iris Deltrac is a truly versatile remote-controlled machine capable of carrying a wide range of interchangeable attachments. It can be fitted with a soil tiller, snow blade, sweeping brush, and wood shredder. The machine can be operated by remote control, and it is designed to work both on steep slopes, slope up to 60 degrees, and on flat surfaces. The unique feature of the model that is the object of our interest today is that during operation it can completely submerge in water. Only the exhaust pipe remains on the surface. This underwater bulldozer will be an excellent solution for companies that perform road construction and repair activities regularly, are engaged in the laying of channels, as well as mining of minerals from the subsoil covered by the water column. By the way, the bulldozer is controlled remotely. New research shows, for example, that loosening and aerating with a plow, the soil layer in which the main root system of rapeseed will be formed, provides an excellent basis for high and stable yields. And of course, this is much more difficult to achieve without the use of special, professional machines. Today, Menzimuck is literally synonymous with the type of equipment that you have in front of you. To say even more, their crawler excavator has become a kind of flagship of the company. What are the features of such a giant? Firstly, we should highlight H-Drive hydrostatic all-wheel drive and P-Matic parallel stabilizers. And also, the manufacturer has introduced a novelty in its named equipment: mountain stabilizers with steel claws, thanks to which this model creates lifting and braking forces that exceed the forces of conventional excavators. The CT Model 718 compost tedder sets new standards for efficiency, productivity, and ease of operation. Operator comfort and efficiency have been improved, including new controls, an easy-to-read control display, and side and rear view cameras, plus a mainframe with a lower machine height for better transportability. Cerens, a company known for producing truly gigantic equipment, has distinguished itself again and released another of its giants into the world. This is an environmentally friendly electric ring crane, which, by the way, is ideal for various projects in the nuclear, logistics, and construction sector. The newest crane in the fleet was developed in response to market demand for cranes with a large lifting capacity of more than 80,000 tons. What do we know about the largest bulldozers in the world? At least that the D475A 5SD model, with an impressive 800 horsepower engine from Komatsu, rightfully occupies the second place in this ranking. It is often called Super Dozer, and it is not for nothing. After all, the weight of this 11-meter machine is also a record, about 108 tons. Ruggedness is an essential quality of SAT's heavy-duty wheel loaders, ensuring maximum availability over several service lines. The new 986K truly incorporates the best in reliability, productivity, safety, operator comfort, serviceability, and sustainability. Leveling the sandy zone on beaches is not an easy job. It is for this purpose that special technological machines have been created. How do they work? You have the opportunity to see a part of this process with your own eyes. Well, and modern technology can offer something a little more. What am I telling you? See for yourself. Small mini-loaders often work in tandem with other equipment. For example, for that machine on your screens, the fixed-frame hydraulic tree shovel was the perfect counterpart. By creating an effective tandem together, the equipment provides the high-quality digging and root ball compaction that are so important for cleaner, more viable transplants. Hydraulic excavator Caterpillar provides a high level of productivity, unrivaled versatility, and excellent fuel efficiency. And regardless of what kind of work it does, excavation or trenching or even loading dump trucks, the 6090 FS is sure to take your business to the next level. The M545 walking excavator is truly a unique machine, and all because the manufacturer, Menzi Muck, built it on a high-tech chassis and a special boom capable of performing work of any complexity. The presence of hydraulic cylinders allows you to optimize transport on different types of soil. Thanks to its unusual design, the 9.5-ton machine produces power comparable to a classic 20-ton crawler excavator. Road potholes are a problem in many countries, and a lot of money is spent on repairing them. JCB has taken it upon itself to solve this problem when it introduced its new Pothole Pro. The manufacturer claims that their equipment is designed to reduce the time of repairing potholes on the roads by 4 times and financial costs almost twice, which is also no small factor. With a powerful engine, fairly rugged components, and easy-to-access controls, the Ditch Witch Model 1820 is a compact walk-behind trencher that will help you install many underground utilities on residential and commercial projects. The operator's workstation is equipped with quick-access features and color-coded levers, so reliability is always high. On the business side, the reinforced sprocket hub and a variety of digging chains allow the 1820 to keep working even in tough conditions. Damcon's tree transplanters are provided with 2 semicircular shells. The equipment is ideal for mounting on a crane or wheel loader. The possible coma diameter is between 150 and 200 centimeters, but larger diameters are available upon customer request. I would like to also point out that the equipment is very convenient for transplanting large trees. In addition, they are also useful when digging up trees with a coma in a tree nursery. Reach stackers of H&R line are designed for lifting and transporting containers from 6 to 12 meters long and weighing up to 45 tons. The maximum speed is 25 kilometers per hour loaded and 28 kilometers per hour unloaded, and the maximum climbing gradient is 30.9%. The loader is automatic self-leveling and sway damping, 95 degrees to 185 degrees rotation, and plus or minus 800 millimeters. To me, the performance is impressive. The specially designed model for this crawler harvester combines a shortened upper body with the geometry of a narrow folding boom. Unconventional? To minimize crop residue damage during selective harvesting on steep slopes, a combination of high power and optimized hydraulics of the harvester head also provides the operator with fast control, feeding, and powerful delimbing with the possibility of debarking. The Shaker machine, developed as a result of the manufacturer's intensive cooperation with experienced farmers, has enabled them to provide them with a highly efficient harvesting method. An unusual system specifically designed for harvesting olives and almonds. In fact, it is a self-propelled unit that harvests the crop with a minimum percentage of spreading and stores them in a closed hopper. Do you need to carry out various contracting work under not the most favorable circumstances? Not a problem at all. The hydraulically driven MJS G-Series milling machine, which can be combined with both wheeled and tracked machines with up to 250 horsepower, can help you. You may have never heard of rotating tree shears, but in fact, this type of equipment has quite a wide range of possibilities. They can be used to trim and shear standing trees using a high-tech rotating skid steer machine,